Good day everyone. Today I want to talk about something we all carry within us, dreams. Some dreams are loud and clear, while others are quiet whisper in our hearts. But no matter what your dream is, one thing in certain. The path toward it will never be easy, and that is exactly why it matters. Chasing your dreams means stepping into unknown. It means choosing growth over comfort, effort over excuses, and courage over fear. Many people have dreams but only a few dares to follow them because the journey is filled with challenge, failure, doubt, pressure, and ever moments when you feel. But challenges are not meant to stop you, they are meant to shape you. Think about a seed before it becomes a strong plant. It posts through darkness, soil, and stone. It struggles before it reaches the light. We're just the same everyday difficulty we face while chasing our dreams in the soil. We post truth, it strengthens our character, teaches our discipline, and prepares us the success we are reaching for. There will be times when you feel like giving up, times when you ask yourself, it is even worth it. But remember, this the size of the challenges reflect the size of your purpose, and bigger the dream, the truth, the journey, but also the greater than reward. Success is not about never feeling success. It's about standing back up, learning from every setback, and continuing the journey with a wiser, stronger heart. And each time you rise, you grow. Each time you push forward, you get closer. So if you are struggling right now, don't lose hope. In the path feels heavy, don't turn back. Your dream is not easy, you'll be perfect only. So be persistent, believe in your dream you carry, believe the person you are becoming, and believe that every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. In the end, the challenges you are overcome will become the story that inspires others, and one day, when you finally achieve your dream, you will look back and realize that everything you went through was preparing you for that moment. So keep going, keep fighting, keep believing your dream is waiting. And so in the person you are destined to be. Thank you.